Good day everyone, it's me Christian. Today we'll be learning how to use Ziplet using your personal computers and laptop. First thing you need to do is go to your Google Chrome, then search for the Ziplet. After searching the Ziplet, you're going to click the website provided on the screen, then make sure that you have your personal Google account so that you can proceed to the next process in making your Ziplet account. After that, you can already see the feature of the Ziplet provided on the screen, wherein you have a live question and a total response. If you notice, this is a form of a live classroom wherein you're going to prompt a question that the student were going to answer during or before the discussion. In creating your personal questions, first you're going to put the name of your class, wherein I put it is my first class, and the class code for your live questions or class is 105793. After that, you're going to create your personal question, wherein I put to answer the given statement is find the value of y if x is equal to 4. Solve 5x plus y is equal to 10. Then after putting that statement, I will going to click the save button. Then I can see in the upper part that there is a percent icon there, wherein you're going to click that so that it will going to prompt the generated QR code that the student were going to scan or website, and even the code that they're going to enter so that they can enter into your live classroom. And that's how you use your Ziplet using your personal computers and laptop. And I hope that you've learned something new in this video. Once again, I am Christian. Thank you for watching.